How to put spaces in Instagram post captions. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So before that, if you have a new option to add line breaks with an app, the process is simple. You just need to hit the enter or return key and format it as you like it to appear. However, if you're not yet able to use the line break option, there is still a way to add those line breaks to your post, and here's how you can do it. So first of all, go ahead and open your Notes application in your mobile device. Now from here, go ahead and create a new one. And then inside here, go ahead and add in your text. Once you add it, you can go ahead and tap on return in order to put the space between these lines. Now once you are done, simply double tap it and then select it all. Now once done, tap on copy. Now once the note has been copied, head back to your home screen and then open Instagram application in your mobile device. Now once you open it up, you'll find this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap onto it. Now it will lead you to your gallery. Go ahead and select your picture that you like to post on Instagram and then hit next. Tap on next again. And just like so in the caption section, long press and then tap on paste. And just like so, you'll then be able to put space in Instagram post captions. Now once you're done, simply tap on share. And just like so in the post, as you can see, there's a space between these captions in Instagram post. And that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.